Where do you want to plant your pole beans in your garden when you're planting your garden? So beans and beets do not like to be beside each other. Beans and beets are said to stunt each other's growth. So when you're planting your garden, don't put your pole beans beside your beets. They don't like each other. So what likes to be next to pole beans? You can plant it next to carrots, celery, corn, cucumbers, eggplant, peas, potatoes, radishes, and strawberries. All of those plants love to be next to pole beans because pole beans put nitrogen into the soil, and these plants love nitrogen. So what do you not want to plant near your pole beans? You don't want to plant your beans next to your chives, your garlic, your leeks, or your onions. They just don't like each other. This is part of the beauty of one of my favorite things, companion planting. I use it all the time. I've been planting this way all of my life, and I love it. And I'm passing it on to you. So you have a great day.